Menteri Rangba Conrad ke sangma ula banjur ya ka jing donkam kerki ban pynkhlain ki rukom a jingtip haki school ban la penkiu ya ka PGI ka Meghalaya haba penpau ba ka kerdan ba minta kan peni be setia ya ka jing kiu ka jela haka puli dangli haba keren haka jing yalang bu maunung rem ka sok ha government higher secondary schools bat ka pen ko buram ya ki khna school ke ba pas bha Menteri ulapan pau ba ki jing duna ha ka jing ai jing tip ye ki jing khain jing dia kalalam sha ka jing dunong ka bakrau ha ka rukom khain ya ka PGI Snowsi ka kerdan ka ba pau ha ka PGI kamdei ke jing pen pau ka ba hok ya ka puli dangli ka Meghalaya kani kamat kamdei tang halor ka jing le bha Henry kumno ngi ai jing tip ye ki ula ong Ula kedau ba ki bapeni ke jingla tre kam kum ke jingdon ki jaka pulikot lani ki program ai jing song thu kum ka cyber safety ni ki jing shingan ka cyber ki dei ki bom shamla ai jing tip bha da ki school kabalam shaka jingdunong ha ka jing ai marks Haki babun ki khep ki jing persang ki baret kum ka jing penlong ya ki program ai jing song thu ba shisngi lani ai jing tip ha ka rukom ka badai haki jing don ki kor ki bor ki la ban penyo yangi ya ki pon ki badan kam ngila du jan chispa marks namar ka jing du na ha ka jing ya pei bha ban ya kren bat ban ai jing tip ong Menteri Rangba Da kabashim ya kani kum kalat penbej ki basuk ulakentu ya ki kli penya jong ki school bat katanat pule puthi ban penlej jingmot ha ka jing ai jing tip ka babej ha ka por ka babiang kini kidi ki kam ki basuk Henry ki don kam ya ka jing khia lada ngi pynkhlain ya ka rukom ai jing tip ka kerdan PGI jongi kan kiu bha ula banram Menteri Rangba ula yan ban ai ka sarkar kali shibun ki ha ka kampule pu dangde hakini ki prasnem balali no kenthup ka jingshna pen bha ya palat 8000 lik school kensho bun ba ha ki jing e pen bha ya ka jing pass ki khna ha ki exam SSLC ka bakot la palat khnep 100% ha ki snem balale ki jing kila jia na ki jing tei so so ngila ya ha kalenti ka badai menta ngi ha ban pentikna ba ka jingkiu jongi kan de ka balayo jingkhain bha ban ba kan pau ula ong ula kula re ka jingkershan badang beteng jong ka sarkar ban pynkhlain ki jingtei jong ka school pen bha ki lat pen yeso bat penya ri ki lat kilenti ha ka kampule puthi ha ka leng ka jalla Menteri Katanat Puli Puthi ba le kemen rembun bat menteri kamele kai ba wilat miki shilla kila yadon lang ha kani ka program kani ka jingelang ka dei ru ka dak jong ka jingpli ya ka children's and adolescents library bat ki kor digital hashnong sokha mission kabapan scam biang ya ka jingkut jingmut jong ka sarkar ban kentiu ya ka puli puthi habaro kiliang
of your frame. And I ask you to ask yourself a simple question. That in the last 8 years, has Meghalaya moved forward? Are we better off than what we were 8 years back? Are we seeing change happening in the positive direction? Do we see hope for our state as we move along? I'm sure that in your heart, the answer will be yes. We are better off than what we were before. We are moving in the right direction. We have the positive hope of creating the large opportunities that we desire to create for our youngsters and for our citizens. And while I say that, I'm not saying we are perfect. There are many problems. And neither am I saying that we have done everything correct. We are human beings. We do make mistakes. But let me share we learn from our mistakes also. We listen to the concerns of our people. If we realize that somewhere certain steps taken by us may not have been in the right direction, we have the will to change those direction and that area and that direction too. That is how we work. We work with our feet on the ground. We work with our ears on the ground. We work by connecting with you to understand the problems you have and find ways in which we can carry everybody along, make a difference, and move together towards a better future. Are areas where we will work to ensure that we are able to provide that particular investment. As you all know, that large investments are being made. Today I was very happy to come from the Amlarem-Jowai bypass road, the new one that's been inaugurated and now functional, where people who are coming to Amlarem don't have to go through Jowai city anymore. And it's a really smooth transit, and it is really making life much easier for most of our citizens in Amlarem area. So like this, step by step, we are improving the infrastructure and will continue to invest.